Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got another interesting knife to do a disassembly and cleaning of today. This is the Lemifshe Rattlesnake. This is the metal version. I also have somewhere around here, I think, I should have here it is. I should have another version of that. This is the G10 version, and it doesn't quite have the sound that this one has, and the sound is for several reasons. It actually has the backspacer as such, and also let's go ahead and get into it. We'll show you the internals of this thing. This is not a review of the knife. This is just a disassembly and cleaning. So we'll grab this. I think that's going to have to swap that off to a T6, and right here a T6 as well. All right. And it comes apart as such. So you see we've got the lock bar there, like the step milling there on the lock bar. But then let's take this off and take a look. Now that's something you don't see every day. Several things here. One is the multi-row bearing, which is pretty cool. Put that there. Let's go ahead and push this out and go ahead and drop that in. Also that pivot screw. But you've got that there, and then apparently this is supposed to make some noise as well, and you can tighten up this screw here and apparently adjust some of the adjust the sound a little bit. So, all right, let's go ahead and get into it. Wipe this thing down, and again, this is a little bit different, which is why I like taking a look at it. So this is actually that backspacer is free floating all through here except back here. All right, that makes me want to look at something here when I get it back together. But you can hear the, well, I heard it when I laid it down. But you can hear that, whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure what it's what it exactly is called. We'll get the lock face and wipe down these internals here, and wipe down the blade. And also wipe down that. Although I think I already did that. Make sure we get that back in. Alright, let's get another alcohol pad. And we'll grab these bearings. I like the looks of those. Set those to the side to dry. Same for these. That's interesting. I'm not feeling on either of these that they're rolling real easy. But that's the way the design is, I assume. Alright. And the action on it's good, so. Alright, let's back this out. Pretty clean. And also we want to grab that pivot and wipe that down. Nice design there on the pivot. Okay. Got that. Let's start putting everything together. We'll take this show side and index it as such. So on this one, the flat side is pointed up. And that is just odd there with that. All right, let's put a little bit of oil on each side. And that'll get spread around as you're opening and closing the knife. No need to put a lot. Let's go ahead and put the blade on. Put the other bearing on. Just a little bit on each side. And also I want to put a little dab there on the detent ball. I want to make sure I put this stop pin in, or else we will have a non-functioning knife once we get everything back together. Alright, checking all the parts, make sure everything is good to go. I'm actually going to pop this T8 back in, grab that pivot screw, get a little bit of Loctite stick on there, and go ahead and put that in. And we'll tighten that up, not too tight. Actually, I may need to tighten it a little bit more. Alright. And then make sure that it's clear in there. I want to put this screw in. The longer one goes in the clip and the shorter one back here. Going to need to swap off back to that T6, which is one of the reasons I like it when the body screws are T8s as well. Check that. Tighten this one down. I'm going to check over here to make sure this one's tight as well. And this one here. Alright. Ready to open it. No movement. Switch back to the T8. And I'm going to loosen it just a little bit. Let's get the correct side there. Loosen that. No movement there. We're drop shut. There you have it. Disassembly and cleaning of the Lemifshe Rattlesnake. This is the TI version. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and enjoy the content. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Hope to see you again soon, and thanks for watching.